Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Yev. Logitech recently pushed their new product on the market. It's a new gaming mechanical keyboard. This is a Pro X60 Lightspeed. How to say new? New from the, date on a calendar, but not really new from the technologies and functions inside this product. Everybody already shoot their reviews, like sponsored reviews, rather positive, neutral, and not sponsored review, saying that this is a disaster. And of course, my small channel will not bring a huge attention from Logitech to it, but anyway, I decided to order this and check for myself. I'm also like to play games and looking for the best keyboard for myself. So I'm using this keyboard for last week or so, and mostly playing in Helldivers. So it's not nothing crazy, nothing cyber sport or something like that. It's very casual playing, just to understand is it makes sense or not. And why everybody is talking about this keyboard is because the price of $180 US dollars on the moment of recording, for example on Amazon, it's supposed to mean something, right? It should be pretty good keyboard. Let's check this out. So first of all, guys, what you will have as a package, basically the keyboard itself. Obviously you will have a case, and I can say that this case is like made better than the keyboard itself. So strange, but I'm sure this is part of 180 bucks. So inside this case you will have this extender for the wireless dongle. You will have a pretty simple USB cable, and you will have one additional keycap if you want to change this white for this black. Talking about keycaps, they are double shot PBT, pretty well made, shines through all of this, for this price. It's no doubt that it should be like this. From the switches point of view, it's very strange, because it's optical. I'm a fan of tactile switches, so I ordered a tactile, but they're optical. And what does it mean? It means that no modes, no other switches. What is a benefit of optical switches? I don't know. I know the benefit of magnetic switches, but optical, very strange choice as for me, right? So what else do we have on the keyboard itself? On the back side, everything standard. We have a place for wireless dongle, which is good and makes sense with the idea of this keyboard to go with you on some events or something like that. What is really interesting, only one feature I found really interesting, and I like to see it in the future on other keyboards, this side volume roller. Super simple, the simplest plastic roller ever, but idea is good. So you don't need to have a knob on 60% keyboard, but you still can easily change the volume by playing and quickly change the volume. Good idea, really good idea. This side of the keyboard you have the wireless connection, Bluetooth connection. I don't know why it's separate buttons, but anyway, you have switch on and off and USB-C. And on the right side you have the switcher, which is blocked this Windows keys, so you will not be able to accidentally press them. But that's all. Again, nice idea for some functions, but not for this blocking. I mean, come on. But idea is good. Keyboard itself is super standard 60% mechanical gaming keyboard. Nothing more, nothing less. It's not the bad keyboard, it's an okay keyboard. The only issue everybody's talking about, why it's so expensive. And to not do another simple review of the same keyboard, I just decided to bring one more keyboard to the picture, and this is Red Dragon Fizz, also 60% mechanical gaming keyboard, but with magnetic switches. And I did recently review and modding of this keyboard, so you can check it on my channel. But in general, guys, this is kind of the same keyboards. Obviously, they are not totally the same, right? One is wireless, one is wired, one is with, but from other side, one is with magnetic switches. You can change the rapid trigger settings, actuation point settings. You can do some mods. Yes, these switches also, I don't know why, but only these switches work with this Red Dragon keyboard. I tried Gatron, doesn't work. In this case, you also cannot change the switches. So, 1-1, right? Same keycaps, double shot, PBT, shine through, everything like that. Price, $50, $180. Feel the difference, you may say, right? So now guys, let's talk about like who is the target buyer of this keyboard from Logitech. Like pro gamers, first of all, they need what they need, right? And with this rapid trigger stuff, most probably, most logically, they need this super fast keyboards with adjustable levels of actuation points. If you're a casual player like I, $50 keyboard with magnetic switches and hundreds of other options on the market without magnetic switches. Even more. Just before shooting of this review, I received finally my Keychron Q1 HE keyboard. I waited for it 6 months. This is fully metal, wireless, with magnetic switches, with support of VIA, with knob, with everything. Guess the price? Around $200. So I don't know what inside this box yet. I will do the full review and will, I'm sure, enjoy the quality of this gaming keyboard. But come on guys, almost $200? $200? 2004 April? Are you kidding? What is this? My opinion, that guys just or try to catch a train, or it was an old product, sitting on a shelf and nobody spend time on it and then decide, okay, let's push it on the market. Anyway, everybody will buy it because it's a Logitech, it's a Pro, it's a light speed and all of that. So don't get me wrong, the keyboard itself is okay. Okay, doesn't cost $180. Sorry, Logitech. I have no idea what kind of search you should start looking for the keyboard if you need, for example, a new gaming keyboard. I don't know what kind of search will lead you to this product, because it will be or much more interesting functions like voting for again $200, or it will be something simple for $50. If you know different other scenarios when you may need this keyboard, please let me know in the comment section down below. If not, if you agree with me, just hit like button. And soon, full review of this Keychron new magnetic metal wireless VIA, everything all in once, first on the market. See you next time.